So I have a wart on my face. It's pretty noticeable, right? But there are a lot of unnoticeable things about it, about which I'm going to talk today. थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है because मैंने कभी भी इसके बारे में बात नहीं की है. At least never out loud. In my head, of course, a lot of times, but never out loud. तो हाँ, but I'm still gonna do it. Like how many times it has taken me to dark places mentally, and like how many times I have just stood in front of the mirror and I have hated myself. I have just criticized myself like anything. I have a lot of advices I got in my life, they revolved around it, like, you should get it removed, you look pretty, or why don't you get it removed, हैव यू नेवर थॉट अबाउट इट, हटवा लो, बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत अजीब लगता है, ये सब चीज़ें. एज इफ आई डोंट ऑलरेडी नो इट. ऑफकोर्स आई नो इट यार, आई लिव विद 24/7, आई सी मिरर, सो आई नो हाउ इट लुक्स. And now I surely know that such advices, the free advices they hand, they don't always come from a bad place. Sometimes they genuinely feel that they are helping, but for me, who has been getting such advices like since forever, it's just another piece of garbage being added to my emotional baggage, which I'm trying to get rid of. And यहाँ पे ख़त्म नहीं होता है ना. Then there comes the brutal one. तो इसका तो फेस ही बहुत अजीब लगता है, देखने का ही मन नहीं करता यार, मूड ही ख़राब हो जाता है, कितना अजीब चेहरा है. आई मीन, yeah, that reached me in college, of course everything does. And when मेरे को बताया कि ओके तेरे बारे में ऐसा बोल रहे थे टाइप ऑफ थिंग, तो I just acted like I don't care. I'm not here to impress anybody. Why do I care? वो कौन सा कुछ शाहिद कपूर है, हाँ. But the truth is that's not how I felt. I felt like just hiding in the corner and just never face the world again. Like never face the world again. Never go in that class and just, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता था किसने बोला, बट मुझे पता था बोला. And it just made me feel so little, and it made me feel like or when COVID hit, it was a bad phase, but I was low key relieved that now everybody will be wearing mask, I will be wearing a mask, and I will be spared from such kind of judgments revolving around this word. Because whenever I used to meet new people, मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा ये थॉट रहता था कि यार, आर दे जजिंग मी, विल दे जज मी, दिख रहा होगा वॉट, एंड दे मस्ट बी थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, दे मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि ये कितना अजीब है, दे मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि यार कैसी दिखती है ये, एंड ऑल दिस स्टफ. एज अ किड इट डिड नॉट मैटर दैट मच, बिकॉज बचपन में कितनी चीज़ों से मतलब होता है, खेलने को मिल जाए, मन के खाने को मिल जाए, एंड होमवर्क हो जाए, मम्मा पापा से डांट ना पड़े, इतनी चीज़ों के अराउंड बचपन घूमता है. लाइक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मिलेनियल्स. बट एज आई ग्रू, दीज कॉमेंट्स दे स्टार्टेड टू क्रीप इन, एंड दे मेड मी फील क्रीपी, एंड दे मेड मी less lovable, less deserving, and less pretty, and a lot less confident. Even on my wedding day, I was looking very beautiful. Now I can see it in the photos and the videos, but that day when everybody was praising me कि ओ कितनी सुंदर लग रही है, कितना so pretty, तब भी this thought did cross my mind कि I have a what on my face, and maybe मैं और सुंदर लगती है, मैं बहुत सुंदर लगती अगर ये नहीं होता तो. It did not spoil my day, of course, but it did cross my mind. It's like I have always felt that I'll be the least pretty girl in the group, and this feeling is still there. तो अगर कोई तारीफ़ करता है तो मुझे लगता है मैं आई एम नॉट एबल टू टेक इट. मतलब आई टेक इट, बट मन तक इट डोंट रीच माई सोल यूजली. और अभी आई गिव इट अ लॉट ऑफ थॉट रिसेंटली, तो मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मेरे बहुत सारे एक्शंस, some traits also, they revolved around this one insecurity, like I'll be the least pretty girl in the group always. Like I was a teacher's pet for longest of the time, though I am a very rebellious person, like defying people runs in every cell of my body, but I still was. And now I feel like it was because I felt that maybe you cannot be the prettiest girl, but you still can be the smartest one. So studies became my comfort zone, and I relied more on teachers than my friends, because I felt that teachers, they're not going to judge you on the basis of your looks. Nah, they'll judge you on the basis of your marks, on the basis of how you perform, and a lot more than just a face. Well, I am one of those girls. Maybe I was, or I am. I still don't know, so I'll just use I am. आई एम वन ऑफ दोज गर्ल्स जिसको अगर कभी पलट के देखते हैं लोग, तो मुझे ये कभी नहीं लगा कि मे बी यू आर लुकिंग गुड. मुझे ज़्यादातर 99% ऑफ द टाइम्स मेरे दिमाग में जो फर्स्ट थॉट आता है दैट इज़ मे बी दे आर लुकिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, मे बी तुम अजीब लग रही हो, something like that. As I'm recording this, I'm still feeling pretty nervous that, what if I upload it on YouTube and I get all the bad comments, and what if I spiral back into the gutter of insecurities and then I start feeling even more worthless. But I guess I'm still gonna do it. I'll just see how it turns out to be. So if you are seeing this on YouTube, then this girl at least took the first step, or maybe the second one, to beat her insecurities. अभी भी आई गेस पीपल विल से कि अगर तुमको इतनी दिक्कत थी तो तुम हटवा लेती, और तुमको रोका किसने था. बट माइंड यू, इट्स अ स्टोरी फॉर अनदर टाइम, अ लॉन्ग वन. बट अभी इट्स अबाउट दैट वाई दिस वीडियो नाउ एंड वाई आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस नाउ. सो सिंस लॉन्ग आई वॉन्टेड टू स्टार्ट अ यूट्यूब चैनल विद माई फेस इन इट, बट आई नेवर डिड इट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वॉट. एंड रिसेंटली दिस अर्ज गॉट अ लिटिल स्ट्रॉन्गर. तो आई बुकड एन अपॉइंटमेंट और मुझे लगा था व्हेन आई विल डू इट तो मुझे अच्छा फील होगा, लाइक समवेयर आई विल फील अ लिटिल हैप्पी और अ लिटिल रिलैक्स कि ओह फाइनली आई एम अ स्टेप क्लोजर टू गेटिंग इट रिमूव्ड, और इट विल बी ओवर सून. बट ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं, उल्टा आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड फीलिंग अ लिटिल मोर लॉस्ट कि यार पता नहीं what kind of lost it was, but it was not a happy lost. So I sat with that lost feeling and I tried to ponder on the facts कि भाई हो क्या रहा है मेरे साथ, and I realized that maybe now it is actually not about the people, it's about me. It's about me to get rid of all those judgments and opinions of the people I have been carrying till date. And it does not matter whether I have a what on my face or not. If I have something to share, I should share. And the first step should not be to change myself in order to get the validation from the people. The first step is to just get rid of these insecurities, because I realize that when ये जो इनसिक्योरिटीज़ होती है ना, ये बहुत जल्दी से पीछा नहीं छोड़ती. एंड जब ये इतना ज़्यादा डीप सेटेड है तो यू जस्ट कैनॉट गेट रिड ऑफ देम बाय जस्ट चेंजिंग समथिंग इन योर फिजिकल अपीयरेंस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू डिटॉक्स योर माइंड. That's why this video, and that's why I changed the name of my channel from the Panda Studies to Life of the What Girl. And I decided ki I'll not get it removed right now. I will get it removed. I might consider it again in the future, but then it will not be from a place of insecurity. It will be only when I have outgrown it. Like, I am done with it, because the truth is that as of now, it is a part of my identity. And whether I accept it or not, it has always been. And I am beautiful. I mean, yeah, I am beautiful, whether with it or without it. I think I have a lot of good things to share with people, and I am going to do it. And I believe that whatever I have to say, it will reach the kind of people who appreciate it and who value it. Because there is bad in the world, I accept, but there is a lot of good also, right? So, yeah, this is me with face fully shown, with what and all, and heart fully open. Welcome to my channel. If you are still here and you heard it all, then thank you so much. It means a lot, and I hope you are here to stick around, because there's a lot more to come. See you in the next video. Bye bye. I guess we'll make good friends.